the glow-up scrub that'll brighten your skin like magic. If your skin is looking dull and tired, it's layers of dead skin cells stealing your glow. This buildup can make your skin look patchy, feel rough, and even mess with your natural radiance. But don't worry, I've got the perfect 2-minute face and body scrub to bring your glow back instantly. Watch this video to the end for proper usage instructions. Let's get into it. In a mixing bowl, add 4 cups of sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliant that gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin. It also helps improve circulation, giving your skin a healthy, natural glow. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Coffee isn't just for waking you up in the morning. It also wakes up your skin. It tightens, reduces puffiness, and fights dullness. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage. Then add 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It also fights bacteria, soothes irritation, and leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Now for the game changer, add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is a powerhouse for brightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for calming irritated or acne-prone skin. Now, for that deep clean boost, 3 tablespoons of shower gel. Shower gel helps to break down oil and dirt while working alongside the sugar to cleanse and exfoliate. It also ensures that your skin feels fresh and clean after scrubbing. Finally, mix in 8 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and locks in hydration, preventing dryness after exfoliation. It also has antibacterial properties that help keep your skin clear and smooth. Once everything is mixed together, it's time to apply it. Gently massage it onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like knees, elbows, and dry patches. For your face, be extra gentle to avoid irritation. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Your skin will instantly feel softer, smoother, and more radiant. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe.